Hello, my name is Avinash Gangarde. I am from Pune, Maharashtra. I recently completed my BTech from the JNC MGM University. During my BTech, I was searching for the courses, so I got to know about the StarAgile. StarAgile is a good organization. When I go through the reviews are very good, and I take the course of DevOps in the StarAgile. I was quite interesting about the DevOps. Then I get training about in the StarAgile. I learn AWS Cloud and all the DevOps technologies like Git, Jenkins, Kubernetes. As my training is completed, they give me some calls for the placement. Training and placement department very good in the StarAgile. I was connected with the Bharat from the StarAgile. After some calls, I get selected in the Sigmoid analytics company, which is Bangalore based. Now I am doing internship in the Sigmoid. Thank you.
Check out the DevOps course by industry-leading experts. Register now on the StarAgile website. Check out the link in the description.